Hi, my name is Michael Hollins, and I am the managing attorney at the Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office, where we practice bankruptcy law. And today I would like to answer the question: will you lose everything if you file bankruptcy? Is there an opportunity that you will lose everything if you file bankruptcy? But first, let me let you know, reminder, if you want any information regarding bankruptcy, please head on over to my website, hollandsbankruptcy.com, where you can get a lot of good information about this topic and many more, and or listen to the podcast that goes along with this live recording on Facebook. Also, there is a number you can call 24/7 if you would like to set up an appointment to talk with us. It is 866-86-BILLS, 866-86-BILLS. Someone is there 24/7 to make an appointment for you. Now, on to the topic. Will you lose everything if you file bankruptcy? Just leave out of the trustee's office and all you have is the clothes on your back. No way to get home because you don't have a home. Is that possible? Absolutely not. Rest assured, you won't leave the courthouse or you won't leave the trustee's office with nothing more than just what you have on. That's not going to happen. Actually, I always expect the opposite. Most property in bankruptcy cases that we file, they're exempt. And so my clients rarely lose anything at all. And even the assets that we couldn't exempt, uh, based on the exemption statutes in that state, those items are things that maybe the trustee doesn't even want to go after, or maybe they're items that are not worth much, or they even may be underwater. But let me be clear that your home, your car, your wages, these are all things that we shoot to have in your possession throughout the bankruptcy. And I see it happen every day that that's the case. But a lot of the items that you have, it's just cumbersome for a trustee to try to possess it and then sell it, turn around, sell it for what they may get for it. It just wouldn't be worth that. So, having answered that question, that kind of begs a new question. Well, okay, so I won't lose everything, but does that mean that I'll lose nothing? Does that mean I'll go in, discharge all of my debt, and keep all my assets I won't have to worry about, and I will not lose anything? That's not always the case either, although it is rare. But it's kind of a myth that you won't lose anything. And the trustee's job is to find assets to pay creditors. But where the exemptions come into play and where your attorney does a great job in making sure that those work for you, it is very hard for them to find. But every now and then there is a luxury item, something that is of value, something that is worth, has some equity in it, that the trustee may decide this is worth it for me to get my hands on and sell and go forward in that way. And that does happen. It doesn't happen much, but it does happen. So if that is the case, a lot of times you're looking at a Chapter 13 where the trustee, again, cannot get his hands on that equity. So it very rarely happens that you lose, nothing. It more so happens, is more common that you don't lose anything, however, and that you get to keep the things that are important to you and in check. I hope I'm being clear. Let me be clearer. Will you lose everything in bankruptcy? No. With the exemptions in place, will you lose nothing? Chances are that you will not lose anything. Okay. So I hope that was clear. I stumbled a little bit there. Now, for your own personal situation, if you would like to know, and in 30 minutes, having looked at your income, assets, and your expenses, we will be able to know what you can expect in a bankruptcy case. And that is a free conversation to have with us here at Hollins Bankruptcy. So I will definitely share with you again how you can get in touch with us. And that is to go to the website, hollandsbankruptcy.com, or to give us a call at the number on your screen, 866-86-BILLS. 24/7, somebody's there to answer your call and get you set up with an appointment. And I'd like to wish everybody a great day. Please like and share this video, and thank you for listening.